Hello everyone, my name is Imtiaz from Job Ready Programmer, where we teach thousands of students how to become software developers and excel in their careers. I want to talk to you today about a very key topic that is very near and dear to me, known as determination. Okay, how do you become a determined programmer, and what does that even mean? Or how do you become successful at anything through determination, and how, where is determination in all this? And I'll tell you, many years ago, when I was first introduced to this field, almost 15 years ago, I had a friend of mine that had been developing software for a couple of years. He was senior to me, and so I asked him. I said, "Hey, I tried going through this book on programming, and I kind of liked how you can assign values to variables and run loops, and that was really interesting to me." And you know what he said? He said, "Just because you enjoy doing something doesn't mean that you can get good at it." Absolutely wrong advice, the worst advice that I've ever received. And lucky for me, I am a determined person, so I didn't take that to heart, and I believe in myself. And so this is what I want to share with you. A lot of times in your career, or whenever you're trying to learn a new skill, someone might say a certain thing to you that might let you down, and that happens all the time. Okay, you might be struggling on some project that you've been working on this for weeks and it's still not clicking. Okay, that happens. As software developers, we go through these types of problems, and even the best developers out there struggle sometimes. Okay, so if you're just new to this and you're learning, trust me, there's as long as you remain determined. Now, the key to determination is actually belief. Right? Now, that's a cliche term. People are like, I already know what belief is. I believe in myself, yada, yada, yada. No, not the way I'm about to explain to you. Okay? Hear me out here. Belief. Let's say that there's a triangle. This is just something I learned many years ago. Think of a triangle, and on the peak of the triangle, there's belief, the word belief. And on the bottom left is effort, okay? The word effort. And on the bottom right is the word result. Now, let's say that your belief is that you can do something, okay? You just by default believe whatever it is that you're given, you can do it, okay? Because you have a positive mindset, you have a positive outlook on life, and you are confident, or you at least try to be. You can still fake it till you make it, trust me. So you believe in yourself. So now what kind of an effort are you going to put forth if you have a positive belief? You're going to put great effort. Now, you put great effort, what kind of results are you going to achieve? You're going to get great results. Now, those great results, what are they going to do to your belief? They're going to reinforce your belief. And you're going to continue to climb up the ladder of success like that. Okay, it's this circle that takes you to heaven. All right, and so that's so important. This is not stuff that's taught in school. And so the number one criterion is belief. And I told you why. Okay, people say belief, but they don't explain why. This is why. If you don't believe in yourself, now let's take that same triangle example, and let's say that you have a negative outlook and you just think that you can't do something. Well, if that's your outlook, what kind of an effort are you going to have? Limited effort, right? Now, not putting enough effort, what is that going to do to your results? Terrible results. Now, you get those terrible results, what is that going to do to your belief? It's going to take your belief down further, okay? So the same circle could take you to hell and heaven, okay? So just keep that in mind. This is a very, very important topic. If you're struggling right now, and if you're not able to figure out, even though you kind of enjoy software development, if you kind of enjoy software development, trust me, increase your belief system, increase it. Believe in yourself, all right? Keep reminding yourself that you're going to get through this. You're going to figure it out, and you're going to make it happen, okay? Because the alternative sucks. Trust me. So stay positive, stay motivated, and trust me, that's the only way to do anything and become successful in life, right? So that's what I do, by the way. I help people in their careers, as well as help people learn software development. I've been doing this for a while. I'm a top ranked instructor. I've got various courses on my website. Make sure to check the coupon link in the description below if you'd like to avail the coupon that I'm giving and check out my courses. So with that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.